kwalimala abangaphezulu kwamachumi alikhomba ngemva kwebangamathluwo yenzeke emayini.
Phatheka kahle because abafowethu balimela abanye basezibhedlela abanye basoleki.
Alinotice safe singenothi asikho safe because ayonto yenzeke ilanga nelanga leyo but isethusile nathi.
Abasebenzi abamachumi alikhomba nahlanu bagijinyiselwe embhedlela ezihlukeneko. Isikhulu esiphezulu semayini sithi ihlelo lokuhlangula abantu lithethe ama-ira ngaphezulu kwalichumi.
Our rescue operation started at 6 o'clock last night, and by 7 o'clock this morning we were able to clear all employees impacted out of the underground workings.
Ngqongqoshe wezamandla nokwenjiwako uthi isehlakalo esiyisibuyisela emva umsebenzi wokubulo lemayini ukuphungula isibalo sabasebenzi ababhubha basemsebenzini.
It is quite a sad incident. It ended our effort to move towards zero harm in the industry.
I-AMCO ifuna inkulu zemayini eziqalene nesandla somthetho.
AMCO has been calling for the amendment of Mine Health and Safety Act for these company bosses be really accountable, especially to be charged with culpable homicide.
Namhlanje imndeni beyokuhlola indumbu ezili-14 ezibhubhelekile bangamathluwo.
Sebavulelwe icala abasolwa abathathu ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa ngemva kokubambana ngenhluthu nabogadi ikhotho nabayisesikhathini sokuphumula ngomvulo. Icala livulelwe umsolwa wesithathu, umthobisi Ncube, umsolwa wesine uSifiso Maphisa kunye nomsolwa wesihlanu uSifiso Kuhle Nduli. Nakusenjalo ufakazi wombuso uBrigadier Bongani Gininda uphika uyathinditha bona umsolwa wokuthoma nowesibili ecaleni leli babetshwa bakatelelwa bona bavume icala.
Ufakazi wombuso uBrigadier Bongani Gininda udosa phambili iphenyo lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa uyakuphika bona wayekhona nabe kubethwa umsolwa wesibili ngehleso ukubana avume icala.
So the version that he was assaulted in my presence on the 19th, my lord, is false. I was not part of that, and I'm not aware of such because it would have been reflected somewhere in the entries that there's some complaint of some assault.
Igcotha uadvocate Thulani Mngomezulu ukandelela bona kwakunganabufakazi nabe kubotshwa umsolwa wokuthoma kodwa uGininda uyakuphikisa lokho.
Before he was approached by Sergeant Mohola and Sadike and Buteles, the state had no evidence against him until such time accused number one made the alleged confession.
I disagree, my lord. This is what I'm saying. For one to focus on a specific individual, there must be basis in the form of a statement or intelligence or a source saying this person committed this crime. So you can't just go and question a person when there's no basis for that person being implicated.
Nakusenjalo amapholisa aqinisekisa bona kuphenywa icala lokubetha ngemva kokubana kuphikhuke irawu phakathi kwabogadi bejele nabasolwa abathathu abasolwa ecaleni lokubulawa kwakaSenzo Meyiwa.
The South African Police Service can confirm that we are investigating a case of assault following an incident in court on Monday where a prison official was attacked by accused 3, Carlos Ncube, accused 4, Sifiso Maphisa, and accused 5, Sifiso Kuhle Nduli.
Ijaji uRatha Mokgwatle ungiyelelisa amagqwetha abasolwa bona aseyingongoyili zabasolwa emnyangweni wezokuhlenga kwesimilo. Icala lirakela phambili.
Let's just behave ourselves.
Omunye wabakhwezeli bemguruguru yokuzitapela entolo kwaZulu Natal ngo-2021 uMdumiseni Zuma ugujwe iminyaka eli-12 ejele. Isigwebo sikaZuma sikhutshwe ikhotho yesiyingi sePietermaritzburg. uZuma wafota ivideo la atshela umphakathi bona uyokutapa bebona isithabathaba sentolo iBrookside Mall.
Isithabathaba sentolo iBrookside Mall ngiyanye inthabathaba zokuthoma endaweni ePietermaritzburg eyonakala nakutatshwa kiyo ngesikhathi semguruguru ka-2021. Imall le yafa kumlilo mhlamalanga li-12 kuvela abahlinze. Kanti ilungiswe ngemali ye-130 million yamaranda begodwa sikhuluma nje selivuliwe. UMdumiseni Zuma wafunyanwa necala lezehlakalo zokutapa nokonwa kwempahla esithabathabeni sentolo ekwenzeka ngelanga elilandela ukusabalala kwevideo yakhe enkundleni zokuthintana. uZuma besoloka ajamekele ukuthi yena umsulwa begodwa uthi watsho konke akujoko evideo yakhe ngombana wayehamulile begodwa bekangakahlosi ukona imall le. Kanti iphiko lezokuthuthuzwa komphakathi lisamukele isigwebisi lithi sizokuba sifundo nakwabanye.
The state put its best case forward, and that was in terms of the evidence that we submitted before court. And I would say the state was confident, but also we were alleging and we maintained that the offences were serious, and obviously we wanted the sentence to be in keeping with that.
We congratulate
the police and those that are outstanding, even those that we have not found. Everybody must know that the investigation has not ended. We still want to find more of those people that were responsible for that destruction and the loss of life.
Umonakalo wenziwa zizehlakalo zokutapa nokutshiswa kwenithabathaba zentolo neminye imakhiwo emnothweni wabalwa lokubiza 50 billion amaranda. Babantu abayi-350 ababhubhako, kanti ngemva kwemigorogoro le kubotshwa abantu abangaphezu kwe-60 KwaZulu-Natal neGauteng, kanti bathwesa amacala wokukhwezela umgorogoro emphakathini.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngendaba kaMdumiseni Zuma owabotshwa ngemva kokusabalala komgadangiso wevideo yakhe lapha abiza khona umphathi ukuthi awuze uzokutapa bewone isithabathaba sentolo eBrookside Mall. Naku umbono wakho uyalandela mbukeli.
Bagwetshwa 6 months 8 months sebaphumele ngaphandle mara wenza into encane nje awuzofela ejele.
Kuqinisiwe impela ukuthi uma ngabe ungenamali eSouth Africa umthetho udlala ngawo.
Isigweba kasitholile sibukeka sisikhulu kakhulu, kodwa ke futhi sihle ngoba sithumela umyalezo kwabanye abangase bephembe futhi udushe kulelizwe.
Lokho kuzakukhombisa ukuthi ungathatha umthetho ubeke ezandleni ngombana lokho ebebakutapa entolo lapha namhlanje abantu abo bakunoraha ke.
Abantu abaningi balahlekelwa imisebenzi bahleli mabolwa indlala emakhaya kube isifundo kodwa ayincenge indoda manje izawuphuma.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Inhlangano ezahlukahlukeneko zepolitiki nezomphakathi zihlangene namhlanje ukuthwaya ilanga lokuzwelana nabantu bePalestina. Asizwe naku umbiko ngoComfort Masombuka.
Batsimelele kusekeleni kwabo iPalestina. Inhlangano zepolitiki nezomphakathi zithi sekusikhathi sokuthi kube nokuthula ePalestina.
We want a permanent ceasefire as the African National Congress, but we also want self-determination.
Amazwe ephasi atshengisa ukuzwelana nePalestina. Mhlapha nje iParliament eSouth Africa iphasisa isichukumiso sokuqeda ubuzenda phakathi kwayo neIsrael beyaqotha nomzenda weIsraeli.
It's up to them. The EFF have done what they could in making sure that we reject the Israel apartheid state.
Kubonakala kunobungcono emphumeleni yokuhlola kwencwadi zikahulumende welizwe nabohulumende bemfunda eminyakeni wemali ka-2022-2023. Kanti ke sandile isibalo semphumela emihle nakuhlola kwencwadi. Kanti ezingakakhambi ngefanelo zona zehlile.
Zi-147 incwadi ezinemphumela emihle nazilinganiswa nezi-126 zomnyaka wemali opheleleko. Iminyango kahulumende yelizwe neyemfunda zitshengisa ubungcono nakuhlolwa incwadi. iTjingalanga Kapa ngiyo iphume phambili yalandelwa iPumalanga Kapa. Bonke abohulumende bemfunda babe nemphumela emihle nakuhlolwa incwadi ngaphandle kweTlhagwini iTjingalanga.
The number of clean audits has increased quite significantly, and I think that's quite important. If you're looking at a PFMA cycle that looks after an expenditure budget of 3.1 trillion rand together, it's useful to see at least 35% of these auditees achieving the clean audit status.
Nanyana kunjalo iDBSA ngiyo yodwa ikhampani kahulumende esebenze kuhle nakuhlolwa incwadi.
You got one clean audit in this sector, and that is the DBSA. And DBSA has maintained its clean audit outcome for a number of years now.
kuhlolwa incwadi zama-project ayi-137 begoda ayi-80% wawo ariyadisiwe, amanye abiza imali edluleleko namkha umsebenzi awukenziwa ngefanelo. Umaluleka uthi i-ofisi yakhe isebenzisa amandla ayo ekutholeni nekukhandeleni amabhiliyoni wamaranda abekangalahleka. Uthi kunemali esetshenziswe ngokungemthetho ebalelwa ngaphezu kwe-4 billion yamaranda, kanti imali esetshenziswe ebudlapha yona ibalelwa ngaphezu kwe-63 billion yamaranda.
Kunomoya ojubileko obonakala uthungeleleka kumasipalata weJohannesburg njengoba umasipalata alwela ukuvikela uFloyd Brink njengomphakathi kamasipalata weJohannesburg. Umasipalata weJohannesburg nje sewuya ekhotho yekudluliselwa kwamacala ngemva kokuloba ekhotho ephakemeko evumeleko bona ukuqatshwa kwakaBrink kubekelwe ngeqadi. uBrink waqatshwa ngomhlolanja njengomphathi kamasipalata weJohannesburg naphezulu kokuthi angakhange aphase nakuhlola imfanelo zakhe zesikhundlesi.
Ukunikelwa kwezenzelwa kunye namahlelo kahulumende ngaphazamiseka nange angekho umphathi dorobha. Lokhu njengombana zonke inqundo zomkhandlo kufanele zidlule kumphathi olawulako bona kube nguye ophasisa imisebenzi leyo. Ngaphandle komphathi dorobha inqundo ezifana nokulungisa indlela iBri eyonwa ukuthuthumba kwenzeka kongathatha isikhathi eside.
It simply means that the municipal manager, as the law defines him, is the accounting officer. And this means that for everything that has to happen administratively, he takes full responsibility.
Nakusenjalo iDA eJohannesburg isolo umasipalata bona udlala ngemali yababhadeli mthelo ngokuya ekhotho yokuzibilayeza. Lokhu njengombana ikhotho yakhupha isahlulelo lesikhamisana neDA ibona wakhethwa ngendlela engakafanele uBrink esikhundleni.
We are against this being pursued because we believe the funds that are used to pursue this should be used for service delivery.
Kodwa idorobha leJohannesburg linesiqiniseko sokuthi ikhotho izokuvela nesiphetho esihlukileko sendaba le.
The reason why is on the basis that the substantive argument had not been ventilated enough for it to inform the ultimate decision of the court ruling, and that was the basis of our appeal.
Dorobha linamalanga amachumi alithoba bona likhetha umphathi dorobha omutsha nange ikhotho yokuzibilayeza iphikisana nesahlulelo sekhotho ephakemeko.
Nasibuya entolo.
And our mission remains poverty alleviation.
Hlanganisa abafundisi, amakhosi, abo-archbishop, inhlangano zepolitiki.
Zipe Foundation ilule isandla ngehloso yokuletha ubungcono ebantwini. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku SABC 1 na ku SABC Plus nawusanda ukufika siyakwamukela nawe. Umasipalata wemsukaligwa eMelo eMpumalanga solo usalinga ukuqeda ukusiphalazeka kwamanzi endaweni leya. Izakhamuzi zilila ngokuthi zisela amanzi adungekileko. Ikhotho ephakemeko eMpumalanga ifumene umasipalata lo amlandu ngokwephula umthetho ophathelene nezamanzi enyangeni ezimbili ezidlulileko.
Manamanzi ahlanzekileko kusesemrarwa kusodiye ezakhamuzini ze-Emelo.
It's an everyday battle in our municipality. There's 6-7 days on one where we do not have a drop of water. We have no notification, we have no support at all, no water trucks.
Ubason uthi isiqundo sekhotho akhange silandelwe. Isorichi isathelezela ngedamini. Umasipalata wemsukaligwa wafunyana umlando malungana namanzi asilaphazekileko nokusebenzisa iplanti yokuhlengisa amanzi ye-Emelo anganalayisensi nokungasatshetshi ngefanele imigodi yesorichi. Banikele inyanga embili bona khe benze ngconywana kodwa bekube nje iplanti le isasebenza ngaphandle kwelayisensi. Isorichi isathelezela ngemlanjeni nemadamini ekuzindawo lapha amanzi wakhona asetshenziswa zizakhamuzi begodi nefuyo iyawasela.
We immediately appointed an environmental specialist to assist the municipality in developing a rehabilitation plan.
Nakusenjalo umnyango wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila welusa ubujamo obu.
We are looking at that situation, and in their plan they already indicated that as from October until December, month of December, they'll be making sure that the plan is functionally optimally operating.
Sekuza kubonakala khona-ke bona umasipalata lo uzawenza ngesikhathi na amachuguluko nomsebenzi anikelwe wona wokuphakela umphakathi walapha amanzi ahlanzekileko wokusela ngaphambi kokuthi kucubuka ukugula okubangelwa amanzi asilaphazekileko.
Umholi weMotsepe Foundation uDr Precious Muloyi Motsepe uthi ingathana ihlangano yabo bekungenye ipolitiki isiqubulo sayo besiza kuthi phasi ngomhlako. uMotsepe bekanomsunguli weAfrican Rainbow Minerals uDr Patrice Motsepe esenteni namhlanje ehlelweni labo lokulwisana nendlela nomhlako ukuvuselela impilo yomphakathi ehlakako kunye nengasebenziko.
Umndeni wakwaMotsepe uthi wazikuhle ukuthi sibusisiwe isandla esiphako kunesamkelako. Lo mndeni usabalalisa umnikelo engodlweni zamakhosi, emasondweni ahlukahlukeneko, enhlanganweni ezihlogako. Wanikela nangamacheke womnikelo wemali eyabelwe ukulwisana nendlala, ukuthuthukisa imiphakathi ehlogako, njengombana nemisebenzi ingekho kangaka.
Our mission has always been, and our mission remains, poverty alleviation and lifting the lives of the poor and the vulnerable.
The growth and development of all of our people is the growth and development of all of us. In these meetings, we've got some work to do, and we're going to start quickly with the humble donations. It's not about the money.
Ngalomnikelo wemali $20 million azuzila amabandla amachumi amathathu nekhomba. Inhlangano zekolo, ingodlo zamakhosi ezisesifundeni sempumalanga, ePumalanga Kapa, eLimpopo, eKZN, eTlagwini Kapa, eTlagwini Chingalanga, neFreystata. Ingwenyama zesitshaba ziyabuka ngehlelo elikhulu kangaka.
Ngithokoza kakhulu Dr. Motsepe ukuba usondeze iso le-South Africa ngoba ama-traditional leadership kanye nabaholi bezenkolo
hlanganisa abafundisi, amakhosi, abo-archbishop, inhlangano zepolitiki nenhlangano zomphakathi sibe lisendaweni eyodwa.
Ke leboga gape le bomme ba batlilego mo ba emetšego mekgatlo e fapafapanego go tlo celebrata le rena mokete o mogologolo wa ngwaga.
Nabanye abazuzileko kuleli hlelo lakwaMotsepe bafisa ingathana bangaragela phambili nangokuqalelela intshijilo eziqalene nelizwe leli.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kwezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezinkulu. Kezemidlalo iMamelodi Sundowns iyokutholana phezulu ngaphasi kwamaLeghe neSuperSport United namhlanje emidlalweni weDStv Premiership eLucas Moripe Stadium eAtteridgeville.
Inqemezi zihlukaniswa liphuzu linye kwaphela ebujameni beligi ezikibo. Nanyana kusesemsinya kakhulu ukufunisela ngeligi yanonyaka, kodwa okwanjezi namathuba pheze alinganako. Nanyana iSundowns ilandela emuva ngemidlalo ezinye inqema. Isiqhema esiyokuthumba namhlanje siyokhupukela esiqongolweni seligi.
It's very difficult for the rest of the teams. That's why they've won the league the last 4 or 5 years, you know. Playing fields are much more level a few years back.
Now we can set a new record, means that we are in a very good space.
Lo mdlalo uyokuthoma ngo7:30 namhlanje ebusuku.
Ngaphambi kokuthi sikhambe asihlole ihlelo zibuya nabazumi kuKwekwezi FM sizwe bona baphetheni. Sibone iphethe eziphi ngapho.
Siyathokoza Cedric silothisa umbukelo khona usekhaya. Indaba esiziphetheko inkulu zendawo ezahlukeneko enarheni le bathi bakwamukele ukuthi bangamukela imvakatshi ezivela endaweni ngokwahlukana lezi ezizileko ukuthi bazokuvakatsha endaweni zabo. Ngale kwalokho inyanga le uyeleliswa ngamalungelo wabantu abakhubazekileko. siyokhuluma nomuntu okhubazekileko okhona ukuthi asebenzise umlomo nje kwaphela akwazi ukuthi adwebe umfanekiso womuntu awuqede. Ngale kwalokho ugwetshiwe-ke umphehli wenturhu. Inturhu yaphekwa ngomnyaka ka-2021. Sikhuluma nje namhlanje ikhotho lapha esifundeni saKwaZulu Natal imgwebile. Lezi nezinye ngizwe siziphetheko lapha ehlelweni kubuya nabaZulu. Sithokoza kakhulu Cedric noMbukeli.
Sithokozile Sibu. Busayi? Zithini izangoma zezulu?
Awa umshiso omkhulu loya uyehla kezinye imfunda noma kezinye imfunda usesekhona kodwa namhlanje sisibona lapha emjijo eduma kumbi kezinye indawo zangaphange eSouth Africa. Nokho ke ukulandelako sizazicala ngokunabileko.
Sithokoze.
Asiloshisa ekhaya ngelesithathu entambama siyathokoza ukuthola ubukele. Nakuya-ke kubonakala lapha livulile ngale ngetshingilanga yenarha bese ke sithole lapha amathuba wezulu endaweni zakubo Bloemfontein ukwehlela lapha ke endaweni ze-Eastern Cape nge-30% ayaqina-ke kilezi ndawo kubalwa lapha eGauteng kubalwa isifunda sempumalanga nengcenyeni yangapha ngakwaZulu Natal. Akhe sicaleke ukuthi kusasa khona-ke kunjani anciphe khulu amathuba wezulu kodwa nake ligubuzese sengamafu livulile maphakathi nenarha nawuthi uyaqala kusasa. Sithole lapha-ke isilemukiso ngobusuku ukuthi kunemjijo eduma kumbi kulezi ndawo kuthinteka lapha isifunda sangalenge KZN kuthinteka impumalanga neLimpopo kancancazana abantu ke baza kuchecha bayelele ngalelo hlangothi siyokusuduka ke ukwazi ukuthi ubone ukuthi kunjani ke godu esikufumeneko okuzinilemukiso sibona lapha umlilo wamahlathi onekhonakalo yokuthi ungabakhona endaweni zalapha kubo Uppington nangapha ngeBloemfontein abantu bacheche bayelele la moya ke osuka ngapha ngempumalanga utshinga ngalenge tshingalanga Kapa unamandla ke hle siyakusuduka ukuthi ubone ukuthi anjani amazinga okushisa sithoma lapha ngesifunda sangeGauteng njengoba khe ngatsho-ke ukuthi ehlile hle amazinga okushisa sifuthumele sonke isifunda sangapho ngeGauteng nokho ligubuzese ngamafu ngaleke ngeLimpopo silibona-ke lipholile lapha eMusina nawuthi uyehla-ke nesifunda Thohoyandou Itzanini nePhalaburwa zifuthumele kamnandi kanti-ke nalapha eliphalale nge-28 impumalanga-ke yona salibona kunezudlwana kuboSikhukhuza noma kunjalo-ke liyatshisa nge-31 imbombela ipholile nge-22 lapha kubomalahleni neMiddelburg kufuthumele nge-24 iKwaZulu Natal sibekele ngamafu kulindelekile izudlwana iPietermaritzburg ipholile kuthi-ke lapha-ke eDurban khona-ke kufuthumele naboLundi khe sokuqala ukuthi kunjani ngale ngePumalanga Kapa liyatshisa noma lisibekele ngamafu nje lishisela ngaphakathi kwamafu nokho imalitswayo yona-ke ithi ukufuthumala i-East London kamnanjazana nge-25 iTjingalanga Kapa sibona-ke likhamba liveza ihloko sifunda sonke siyatshisa khulukhulu lapha-ke eFredendal nge-43 abantu basela amanzi bacheche bayelele sokuqala iNorthern Cape ukuthi yona injani iyatshisa nayo ngokunjalo Uppington nge-39 lapha-ke eKruman nge-33 sithinga lapha-ke eFree State nakhona-ke kufuthumele endaweni eziningi abantu bacheche bayelele kodwa sibonane ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.